Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum. We have a hexagonal pyramid. We have front view and top view of a hexagonal pyramid. Now it is cut by this cutting plane, which is at a distance of 10 mm from B, and it is cut at 60 degree. So we need to draw side view and development. So what we will do, first we will mark the cut point. Now this is point PU. This is point PC because it is cutting on OC. Now cutting on OD will be PD, and this is PV. So whenever you cut base, you get points like PU, PV, and the edges PC and PD. Now I'm taking this point PV down, PU down. It is on the base. Now this point OD, right? We have PD that you extend. So wherever it will cut O dash D dash, that is PD dash. This is PV dash. This is PU dash. Then this you project straight down. Then we have point PC that you project straight down. Wherever it will cut on O dash C dash, that is PC dash. Then you join this. So this is what you will get. Sectional front view. This much portion will be dark. And this cut portion will be hatched. So this is sectional front view. Now we need to draw side view. So to draw side view, we'll take 45 degree and we'll project from top view. We take this middle point also and we mark O double dash from here. See, we extend wherever it will cut, that is O double dash, and these are the bottom points. Then we will join. This is A double dash, D double dash. In side view we write double dash. This is B double dash, C double dash. Now you can take points from front view. See, this is PC dash. So where it will come? It will come on this line, PC double dash. That's why naming is helpful. PD dash you extend. Where it will come in the middle. PD double dash. Now PU, PV you can't project from front view, so then you need to project from top view. This is PU double dash and this is PV double dash. Then you join like this. So this is side view. So we are done with sectional side view. Now we'll draw top development. Now for development we'll draw one vertical line. We'll take true length. Now if you see OD is horizontal, so O dash D dash would be true length. So take true length in your compass. and from here you draw arc. This is O, this is A. Then you take A to B and you cut from A. You'll get B, C, D, E, F and A. See, remember, we can start from A, we can start from B, any point we can start. We are starting from A. Now we join all these points. This is A, B, C, D, E, F and A. Then you take, see this, you take point B to PU and from B you cut it on this side. Because PU, PV you can't mark, so that you have to take from top view. This is PU. For PV we'll take D to PV. And from D we'll cut here. Now we need to mark PC dash and PD dash. So that I'll project till here in front view. See this, till the extreme line on true length. We'll take this distance and we rotate. Same way we'll take O to PD dash. Remember that point should be on true length or the extreme edge. So this is PC, this is PD. So PC will come here, it is intersecting on C. Same way PD will come here. Then what we will do, we will join all these points PU, PC, PD, PV. So we will get the development part. So I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.